Flowers.
Huh?
Look, goldenrod.
Don't do it. Take him away. By dose. By hay fever. You know I can't stand it. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. Thanks.
You're sneezy.
And be sure to watch out. To watch. Watch out. Thanks.
What ails these crazy critters? They've gone plumb deaf.
Yeah, they could.
Ah!